Well, good morning to you all on this bright sunny morning. We're off somewhere different today. I'm led to believe Ducati Coventry. I believe they're revealing the 25, the Panigale model year 25. So it's not too far away, short distance ride. As I keep banging on about it, I can't ride too far. I'm sure you're sick of hearing it. So we're going to have a nice little ride out. It's not too far away. It's in Kersley, Coventry. It's now Screwfix. There used to be Kestrel Honda, Kestrel KTM. Yeah, Kestrel closed down. They proper shit on the Go on, you looking? You're too busy talking. They proper shit on their customers and their own staff, disappearing overnight, leaving them all in the lurch. Maybe it's not an open day, maybe it's just a show showing the new bike. So let's go check out. We've got the Multistrada. So it's not an open day really, it's just that they've got the brand new Panigale. Apparently there's only one in the country, so it's doing the rounds in the dealerships. And then you've got the Monster. Nice looking bike. Quite a few different derivatives, but I must admit to being not very knowledgeable on these anymore. Yes. The other V4, what they consider swapping the 1290 for it is, not this version. This is the Bentley version. But it's too far out of our price range really to swap out. $12.90 competition. What's your thoughts? Yes, no, the V4S? These are some big old beasts, these are. I do like these. although I'm not a carbon fan, but it's got full of carbon. How amazing is that? I've just been allowed to walk around the workshop. That's awesome.
I'll tell you what, start off in the engine room. Oh, I can't get in because of that boy, he'll have to come this way.
Yeah. Sorry mate, what's your name?
John.
John. Appreciate that, John.
No worries.
Oh my god, how lucky are we to do this?
On the landing. Oh wow.
I certainly wasn't expecting this, I really do appreciate it.
No, no problem.
My little channel's called Robbie Moto.
Oh, we'll have a look.
I won't shout too loudly, but I am a KTM rider.
I know, I saw your bike. Never mind. Engines under there. They're all for rebuild, you know, for tuning and tuning work. There's no Spinci. Where? No, it's gone off here. It was on. That's an old school Desmo engine, Desmo Quattro engine. That is. That's panigale. A few of the people we've helped over the years. Bailey's having a pee.
So what's your position here, John, if you don't mind me asking?
It's mine, it's my shop.
Oh, it's yours?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, mate, amazing.
Little suspension room. That's all we're doing here is suspension. It's only small, but it's what's...
It doesn't need to be huge, does it?
Yeah, no it doesn't. Little machine room, CNC miller and a lathe and a cylinder red machine.
Is it some cases for older machines that you have to lay your own parts, or still can you get many parts?
We do make quite a few bits. If something's broken and we can't, you know, we machine spacers and bushes and pistons and... Craig. Sorry, what was it your name again?
Robbie.
Robbie, terrible.
Hey Robbie.
Hello mate, how you doing?
Craig, how are you?
Talk to him. He's got a KTM.
Oh God. Okay.
Oh, quite so. I know I'm stepping into the lair here, really. It shows just how much I know. That was John, the owner. Just come up to me and asked if I wanted to come around the workshop. So if you come down here with your Ducati, this is where it gets serviced. Well, what an awesome visit that was. Super friendly. Even me turning up on the KTM, they're still super friendly. Well, as you heard me say many times in there, that was amazing. Super friendly people. Super friendly. And the owner just coming up. I tell you what, that was a similar attitude. I didn't film it, it was several years ago when I was in, here's me showing off, in Beverly Hills with Adam. As I said earlier on, the dealer let us take out, I mean he knew I was a tourist, knew I wasn't going to buy a bike, but they let us take out all their demo models. I'll see if I can throw up a few pictures if I find them. Same attitude. Amazing, love it. Oh, Jesus. Still getting my leg over is ridiculous. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, because I certainly did. I do fancy a Diavel though. But unfortunately my pocket is not deep enough for one of those. Not a new one, and I'd want the V4. So thanks for coming along with me. Hope you enjoyed that. Certainly nice to get out and have a little ride. Take it easy guys, take care and ride safe.